So many people today think if I just get a master's degree, I'm going to land that job in clinical research. So they go and they get a master's in biological sciences, they get a master's in biotechnology, in chemistry, and then they're applying to jobs and they get so frustrated because they're not even getting interviews. Today we need people in our industry who understand ICHGCP. They understand how to conduct a clinical trial. They're not learning that in the master's programs. What we do is we train people in the competencies, the skills, the training that they need so they can start the job on day one, ready and prepared. But in our program, we learn about the real world. Our instructors, they're CRAs, they're CRCs, they're site managers, they're regulatory specialists. They're working with some of the top name research groups in the country. And they're training our students in what really happens. What happens when a patient doesn't show? What happens when there's a deviation in the protocol? What happens when a patient lies and says they're taking the medication and they're not, or they're taking too much? All of these happen in real life. And I don't know that we're learning those details in those master's programs. In our class, our students feel ready and prepared, and they can walk into a job day one and be successful. But really, I think the most important thing that we do for our students is we are supporting them with their resume, with their cover letters, with introductions, so they can actually get the interviews and get into the industry. So many of these master's programs, they give you your diploma and you're on your own. We're providing the support, the connections, and the introductions so our students are getting hired and our students have that support network so they can move quickly into the industry and succeed.
Hey, thanks for checking out our video. Here at Clinical Research Fastrack, we're so excited to be spreading the word about clinical research. For more content, feel free to follow us on Twitter and Instagram, like us on Facebook, or give us a call or send us an email. Thanks!